Welcome to another lesson in this awesome course, Create an Online Course That Sells. So this is the fourth lesson in the series, creating an e-learning platform or e-learning website. So in this lesson, we are going to be configuring WooCommerce and also the payment gateway platform. So I believe you already have WooCommerce on your dashboard. If you don't have it, just go to plugin, add new, then search for WooCommerce and install it. But if you're using a premium theme, most premium themes already come with all the plugins needed, and WooCommerce is a required plugin for e-learning websites. So search for WooCommerce, and you see it's right here. WooCommerce. Well, it's no longer available here. WooCommerce. Okay, I didn't get the spelling right. WooCommerce. Okay, this is it. It's active on my site already. So you install it, then activate. Then let's get Paystack WooCommerce plugin. Is that the name? Okay, yeah, WooCommerce payment gateway. So install it, then you activate. Okay, let's wait for it. Waiting to install. Waiting to install. So we have world-class payment gateway platforms in Nigeria. We have Flutterwave, Paystack, and the rest. But while I was in 2019, when I was integrating payment gateway to my landing page at that time, I initially searched for Flutterwave, but I had issues with the configuration. Then I tried Paystack and it was smooth. So I eventually settled for Paystack, and I've been using it since then. And I've not had any issue with them, so I believe I'm good, except Flutterwave brings up any feature that I know I can't just resist. So it's activated already. Then let's go to WooCommerce. On WooCommerce, go to settings. We just want to configure the WooCommerce for this e-learning platform. We change the currency to NGN, Nigerian currency. And okay, I'll wait for it. Yeah, it's ready. So country or state, change it to your country. Nigeria, so select Nigeria. Where is it? Nigeria, Lagos. Okay, zip code. All these are not actually necessary, except you are creating an e-commerce website where you need to add your address, zip code, and the rest. So let's just save this. And okay, currency. Let's also adjust the currency. So let me change the currency to Nigerian currency. Let's search Naira. Nigerian Naira. So save changes. Let's just skip all these products, shipping, then go to payments. These ones are just for physical products. We are creating digital products, so we don't need to do all those configurations. So payments, and the payments option we want to use is Paystack. So let's select Paystack. Save changes, then we set up now. So let's manage Paystack or set it up. So what we need to set up Paystack is you need the keys. Yes. So avoid situation whereby network is set and what is that? Then we need the keys. So since we are just doing I'm not doing a real website, or this is not a real website, I'm going to be using test keys. You can see the test keys. You want to enable test mode. Let's enable test mode. So that's the test keys. Okay. Direct pop-up. I think I prefer pop-up. This will be direct. I think I prefer pop-up. Pop-up shows on payment page while you direct to customer to payments. Pop-up. So they are still on the website. So what we need now is the test keys. If you are creating a live website, a real website, you are going to use the live keys, not test keys. Sorry. So I have to use the live keys. And so let's go to Paystack. So as a course creator, one thing you need to know is that not all your clients or customers will prefer to use um, debit card or online payments option on your website. In fact, I noticed only 30% of those that enrolled for my course actually used the online payments platform using Paystack on the website. 70% of them were requesting for bank account details directly on WhatsApp. So I had to be giving them, I had to send you the bank account details, and they're making transfers. Especially in Nigeria, yeah, I don't know if it's an issue of trust. Like some people don't really trust online payments. They don't believe that details are safe. I agree, and I also don't agree with them to an extent. So, and also I don't know if some people are also lazy. They don't want to go through the process of going to the website to make payments. So they just prefer to just do a transfer. So I don't know which is the case. So you have to make that option available. That's okay. If you don't pay on the platform, you can just do a bank transfer. So you give them the account details. So set up your Paystack if you are using Paystack, and if you have registered a business, make sure you add all those details to verify your business, so that you are able to not be limited to the amount you can receive. Because if you don't do that, I think they have 2 million naira limit. After 2 million naira, you'll not be able to receive money on your Paystack except you upgrade. That is by adding your business name details and your CSC registration details. So I think Paystack pays the next day. If somebody buys a product from you using Paystack on your website or maybe on Paystack landing page, they'll pay you the next day. And if it's weekend, they'll pay you. If it's Friday, they'll pay you on Monday. And if it's weekend, they also pay you on Monday. I think that's current payment method or style. So now what we want to do is to get the keys. I'm on live mode. Let me change it to test mode. So okay. So I've changed it to test mode, and it has changed all the details here. This is why I have to protect my live keys. Very important. But if you've not done necessary settings, you can't have this live mode. You just be set at test. So what I want to do now is go to settings. These settings. Let me check settings first. Okay, yes. Then go to API keys. Wow, my live keys are still showing. Okay, if my live keys are showing, what is the point of now changing it to test? Let me just do it. Also blur that part out. So test keys. Test key. So I'll copy the test key. Copy the test secret key. Copy. Then go to the website. Paste the test secret key. Paste it. Then copy the test public key also and paste it, and you click save changes. You want to enable split payment. So you have a your product is quite expensive, but that is relative though, and you want to accept split payment, you can put it there. So the part payment can be 50% and the balance of depends on you. But I don't really like that option. National payment gateway. Let's just leave that. Then saved cards. Do you want to enable save the cards of your customers on your website? I don't advise that you do so. I don't advise that you do so. You don't have to save their card details on your website. That's one reason why, although you won't be able to see it personally, but enter it just make payment again, they will not need to re-enter it. But don't save it. Don't just save it. So just protect them. Okay. That's your customers. So click save changes. Now when we go to the website, to the course page, let's go to the course page. Let's click on this course. Okay, let me refresh the page. I've changed the currency to Naira. It's still at $20. I have to change it. This will be 20 Naira, which since I've changed the currency. Okay, still at $20. I change the currency here. General. I change the currency already. There's another place. Let's go to the WooCommerce. Go to settings from LearnPress. So there's a WooCommerce setting that you should also do here. Payments. Okay, this is it. So this is where we actually change the currency for the cost, for the WooCommerce, for the cost there. I just saw dollar now. I just saw US dollar. I don't know. Okay, let me check. And just disappeared. Wow. Pages. Let me check payment again. Courses. General. Payments. Let's see. Okay. Advanced. Let's just leave it that way. There's no setting that we need to change there. There's no setting we need to change there. There's no setting we need to change there. So yeah, after enroll users after they buy the course, very important. Enable login form in checkout page. You can enable it. Enable registration form in checkout page. You can also enable that. So let's go to the course page itself. Go to courses. This is the course we created ourselves. Edit. 0 students now. But by the time we enroll, this will be 1 student, or time somebody enrolls. Since I've allowed that other people can register on the website, I would like to log out, then sign up with another detail, and try to purchase the course. Although it still tests, or let me just test it using this account I'm using. Pricing 20, cost pricing USD currency. You want it to be USD currency. Let me look for where to change it. commerce settings. Let's go back to learn press again and go to settings, general. You see the currency, so it's in USD. Let's change it to Naira. Click save changes. So since it's under learn press, it should affect the currency of the entire of the website now. Let's refresh it. All these dollars should change to dollar sign, should change to Naira. Okay, it has changed to Naira now. So let's go to Naira to edit cost and change the cost price from 20 Naira to 20,000 Naira. But not be less than regular price. Regular price is 100,000. So this one is 20,000 Naira. And click save changes. So now let's try to purchase the course. Let's see that it has saved first. Okay, saving. So now I want this the course. So let's try to purchase the course. Click on it. If the reason why this is showing, I've explained before. I experienced an issue while uploading the theme because I didn't buy the theme from Team Forest. So it's just for practice sake. So, but if you get the theme from Team Forest, you won't have any issues. But if you have or experience any issue like this, just let me know. I will help you resolve the issue. So click on buy this course. If you scroll down, you can also see buy this course here. So let's click on buy this course. So it should take you to the checkout page. You are just testing the page. Very important to test the workflow. So to take you to the checkout page, this is the checkout page now. So other information, you don't need to add any other information on the checkout page. Or it's telling us that no payment method is available. Wow, no payment method is available. But I integrated Paystack. Let's go back there. Paystack settings. Payment. Check if there is an issue with the keys. Paste public key, paste, save changes. That's why I'm experiencing this issue. We'll resolve it. Let me go back to the NetPress settings. Except I've not activated the WooCommerce. I've activated it, that's why we have this. So let's check payments. Is the payment option available? Go to add-ons. WooCommerce add-on, and this is it. I've not activated it. So WooCommerce add-on for LearnPress. Okay, so enable. Let me refresh this page, this settings page. Payments. I should have WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce. So click on it, and it's added already here. So paste tag is edited. Enable. You can use other methods than LearnPress. I prefer that route. So save changes. So let's go back to the course, to this place before here. So if I want to enroll for the course now, again, click on buy this course or buy now. What is the option that was there? Because I already add to cart, because I added it to, I think I have it on my cart already. So view carts. I think that's the new, instead of buy this course, that's the new when they updated that particular add-on. That is the new feature that they added. Instead of buy the course directly, you have to add to cart first. So now you want to apply coupon code. So you can generate coupon code for your customers so that they can get the course at a cheap price. So it's one of the features of the LearnPress plugin. So we want to proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. You can see, look at the details here. Fill the details. If you go back to LearnPress, you can shorten those details. I've forgotten the particular plugin that we use to, is an add-on used to edit those details that are required of shipping details. So you can remove them. I'll get the name of the plugin. Let me get it. The name of the plugin is WooCommerce Checkout Form. So you can download it from the WordPress repository, from the plugin repository. WooCommerce Checkout Form. So from there you can edit the details that you want to show here. We don't want all this. Since it's not a physical product, you don't need to fill all these details. But you just have to try the required ones. Just have to. So since it's there, you just have to. If you don't fill it, you can't proceed. So with that plugin, you won't need to fill it. WooCommerce checkout form. Checkout form. So this, it's just checkout feed, checkout manager. I think this should be it. Yeah, this should be it. So checkout feed editor, you install it and activate it to be able to edit the field that you want to appear, and and remove the ones that you don't want to appear. So for a digital product, what you just need to appear is the full name and the email, nothing more. You don't need all those postal or code, address. You don't need all those. So checkout, place order. So when you click on place order, the pop-up that we ask you to generate that pop-up. Yes. We selected pop-up instead of redirecting us to paystack page. So we want it to just pop up on the, want it to still be on the website. We want it to be redirected somewhere else. So let's hold on while it loads the pop-up. So recently paystack added options for bank payments. So if they say they want to pay with bank transfer, instead of sending your bank account details, you can just tell them to still come to the website, follow the process, and pay with bank transfer. But the issue is that most people are just lazy. They just want to just do it fast. And you can't blame them because you want to make your money. So if they insist that is the only method they want to use in making payments, then you just have to accept. You have to accept. So because not everybody, that some people believe that it's going to be time consuming for them to come to the website to um, follow all the process to in order to make payments. So for people that make payment through bank transfer, like you send them your details maybe on WhatsApp, I'm going to show you how to activate the cost for them. For those kind of people, I'll show you how to activate the cost for them, because normally if they follow the right process using this um work up this checkout page on the website, immediately they make payment and the payment is successful, they get redirected to their profile and they'll be able to access the course directly. So it's an automatic process. But if they choose to make payments directly to your bank account, then that option is not available. The option is not available. I'm still waiting for this thing to load. I don't know why it's taking this much time. So you have to activate the course for them manually. That's taking so much time. This or that. Taking so much time. So the pop-up option is taking too much time. So let's just select direct. What is it again? Yeah, redirect. So you just redirect them to the paystack page. Okay. Go back here, click on place order. You should just redirect them to the paystack page. Okay, so this is the page. So if you want to make payment using the your debit card, that's the option. So this one just, since it's a default, it's a test mode, it's in test mode. Let's just click on pay. I'll give you some details here. Payment successful. Also, if you want to now make payments using bank, the payment is successful and you have access to the course. And the course is short also, I don't need to not to show that about access to the course, but for someone that just arrange for the course, we see it. So let me try it again. Go to course. I want to show the second option, which is the bank option. Let me show the bank option. So I'm already enrolled. Continue. So the other option there was the bank option, and I see I already have access to the courses now. The other option was the bank option, and with that bank option, you have to they'll give you a bank account to make payment to. I think most times I think they work with Zenith Bank. So after they'll tell you that they'll give you the bank account, make transfer to bank account. After you made the transfer, click on I've made payments, and within few minutes they will activate the course in your profile. So that's the second option, which I didn't choose. So, and there's also bank transfer option, which they normally add. So your student can just go there and make payment instead of requesting for bank details on WhatsApp. But if they still request for bank details on WhatsApp, just send it so that you don't lose the sale. Just send it. Always tell them about the option for the online payment. So let me show you how to manually activate an order. So you go to your dashboard, then press see orders. So if somebody makes payment to your bank account manually, to activate the order, go to add new order. So every order shows here. This is the order that was made now 3 minutes ago. I see there. So you click on completed, customer name, change it. So search for the name of the person or the username, you add it. Then the item that they ordered for, search for it. think find art masterclass. So you add it. Then when you are through, you click on choose an action, trigger the action of the current order status, then click update. So the person will have access to the course. That's if they make payment to your bank account directly. You send it to them, not through the online platform. So this you see the order here. So this is the order we just did now. So these ones are attempts to show here. This one shows that it was not successful, but this one shows that it's successful. So these are the attempts that we're making the other time that was not successful. So that's how to integrate Paystack and WooCommerce to your e-learning platform. And I think from there you are good to go. And the next thing is to start marketing the course. So thank you for following this lesson.